How's it, guys? Welcome back to Tool HQ. Today we're taking a look at a few top quality work gloves, all available at Shop.Pro-Connect.co.za. These gloves are built for real work, whether you're using power tools, doing automotive repairs, bike riding, mechanical work, or tackling a good old DIY project at home. They're made using materials like synthetic leather and spandex, which means you get a comfortable, form-fitting glove that doesn't feel bulky. A lot of them come with handy extras like touch screen capability and adjustable wrist straps, so they stay in a place and move with your hand. You also get solid grip, breathability and durability, which makes these gloves ideal for everything from package handling to long hours in the workshop or garage. Some even feature motocross style designs, giving you that extra edge whether you're working or riding. It's the kind of glove that looks good and performs even better. And that's what it's about. Gloves that fit well, feel right, and give you full control.
Buy now. Link in description. Delivery nationwide on all products.